Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn about best Panasonic VT60 calibration settings. Best Panasonic VT60 calibration settings. Basic calibration steps. Picture mode. Set to professional 2 for 2D and custom for 3D. Contrast. Set to 64 for 2D and 100 for 3D. Brightness. Set to +4 for 2D and +5 for 3D. Color. Set to 50 for both 2D and 3D. Tint. Set to -2 for 2D and 0 for 3D. Sharpness. Set to 50 for both 2D and 3D. Color temperature. Set to warm 2 for 2D and warm 1 for 3D. Vivid color off, cats, contrast automatic tracking system off, video NR off, MPEG remaster off, resolution remaster off, motion smoother off. Advanced settings. Panel brightness set to mid for both 2D and 3D for optimal contrast. High can be used for 3D without white crush. AGC automatic gain control 0 for both 2D and 3D. Black extension 0 for both 2D and 3D. Color gamut set to REC.709 for both 2D and 3D. White balance adjustment 2D red set to -7 for high, -6 for low. Green set to -1 for high, 0 for low. Blue set to 14 for high, -2 for low. 3D. Red set to -15 for high, 9 for low. Green set to 0 for both high and low. Blue set to -6 for high, -9 for low. Gamma adjustment. 2D gamma set to 2.4 for a more accurate and darker image. 3D gamma set to 2.2 to enhance 3D depth. More detailed white balance adjustment. IRE level adjustments increasing and decreasing RGB values based on IRE targets. 10. Red -50, green 0, blue 50. 20. Red -3, green 0, blue 25. 30. Red 0, green 1, blue 3. 40. Red 6, green -1, blue -8. 50. Red 11, green 2, blue -9. Continue adjustments through to IRE 100. Other settings. HDMI content type set to auto. HDMI or DVI RGB range set to standard 16 to 235. Black label set to light for both 2D and 3D. Screen format set to full. Overscan set to off. Pixel orbiter on to reduce the risk of burn in. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.